Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, July 11, 2023. It is 4:03 and 15 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, AI-based techniques. So let's jump to it here. AI-based technique for predicting crystal orientation improves the efficiency of manufacturing most electronic devices. Date July 6, 2023. Source: Nagoya University. A team used an artificial intelligence to predict orientation of crystal grains much faster than existing technologies, since polycrystal materials are used in most electronic devices. This will speed up manufacturing and make the materials more effective. As crystals are a vital component of many machines, familiar materials used in industry contain polycrystalline components, including metal, alloys, ceramics, and semiconductors. As polycrystals are made up of many crystals, they have a complex microstructure, and their properties vary greatly depending on how the crystal grains are oriented. This is especially important for the silicon crystals used in solar cells, smartphones, and computers. And to obtain polycrystalline material that can be used effectively in industry, control and measurement of grain orientation, distribution is required. However, this is hindered by the expensive equipment and time-current techniques needed to measure large area samples. Researchers applied a machine learning model that assesses photographs taken by illuminating the surface of a polycrystalline silicon material from various directions. They found that the artificial intelligence successfully predicted the grain orientation distribution. The time required for this measurement was about 1.5 hours for taking optical photographs, training the machine learning model, and predicting the orientation, which is much faster than conventional techniques, which take about 14 hours. It also enables measurement of large area materials that weren't possible with conventional methods. This is a technology that will revolutionize materials development. This research is intended for all researchers and engineers who develop polycrystalline materials. It would be possible to manufacture an orientation analysis system of polycrystalline materials that packages an image data collection and a crystal orientation prediction model based on machine learning. They expect that many companies dealing with polycrystalline materials would install such equipment. And this is a professor of space technology, advanced physics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.